And before we wrap, we would like to share something we refer to as a Whissel widget of the week. This is something we utilize in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have a little bit more fun.
Mine today is something I've talked about in the past, something I use in our business every day as an alternate CRM. We use Follow Up Boss. We love Follow Up Boss. We do everything through Follow Up Boss. We were also using ClickFunnels in the past, and ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson, genius. I don't think he created funnels, but he's been an advocate for years and years and years and years. So ClickFunnels is about $100 a month, and it's a way you can build websites. Cool, and funnels are just websites in this arena. Well, we were doing that, and then we switched over a couple of years ago to another CRM that does ClickFunnel type websites, plus texting, plus email, plus CRM, plus tagging, plus calendar, plus automations. It does everything all within one CRM, and it's called Attract ROI. And so if you go to attractroi.kylewhissel.com, that's a referral link. I think you get a little bonus. If anything, it tells them where they came from, which is from us. But it also is about $100 a month and does everything ClickFunnels does and a lot more. So I'm a real big fan. Before we switched over to Follow Up Boss, we looked at this as being our main CRM. Follow Up Boss won out based on their CRM specific stuff or their real estate specific stuff. But Attract ROI is great. We use it for, if you go to thewhisselway.com, if you go to mediamastermind.com, if you go to any of our funnels that are for agent-facing things, our referral network, all that sort of stuff, we built on there. And we use that as our agent-to-agent CRM, where we have Follow Up Boss as our client CRM. So Attract ROI is my widget of the week.
Cool. Mine, I just got this solved this weekend. It's bugged me for a long time. I used to have a different keyboard on my iPhone, and they discontinued it. So I'm stuck with the regular iPhone keyboard. And it constantly will not update my dictionary with words or like abbreviations that I want to use. For example, square foot. I want to put SQ space FT, and it will not freaking do that. It's been really annoying to me. So I figured out how to add things. I always thought like if I put a word in and it shows it in quotes on the left and I tap it, it's going to like add that to the dictionary. Nope, doesn't.
It just uses it at one time.
Yeah, so here's how you do it. You go into settings, you go into general, keyboard, text replacement, and then you just put the phrase of what you want. So like SQ, because you just want to abbreviate square. And then shortcut is SQ. So if you just do that, you can start adding all those words like EXP. The way that we type it is E, little e, big X, little p. It doesn't want to do that. So I got to manually like do it every time. So all the words that you want to have added to your dictionary, you just go in to the text replacement and just put the phrase and the shortcut are one and the same. And now magically it will do it however you want it to be done. And so I don't have to get annoyed when I want to type square feet every time with the abbreviations. And I have to tap it, and I keep thinking it's going to add it to the dictionary, and it doesn't because that's a stupid iPhone thing. This is the solution to it.
All right. Very cool.
It alleviates a lot of headache for people that don't like those headaches.
It's still a lot more work than it should be.
Yeah,
it should be.
My previous keyboard, if you tapped it, that was like, hey, I wanted you to add this to the dictionary.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's how you do it on iPhone.
All right.
Got to figure it out. Awesome. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the show today. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Brian Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.